So in the previous video, we discussed regarding template reference variable. So whatever the changes we made inside our child component, that is event-thumbnail.component.ts and events-list.component.ts, I have already removed those changes which we made in our previous video for the template reference variable. Okay. So once we have removed those changes, since we don't require anymore, now let's understand in this video regarding how to style the component. Okay, let's do that now. We have to include inside our template styles, and inside square braces we have to provide what we want to apply for our template. That is what kind of CSS classes which I want to apply for our template, that we have to define over here. So I want to apply some padding, pad hyphen left with margin hyphen left 10 pixels. Okay, and I also want to apply for well div elements, I want to apply color red. Okay, so this means that whatever element which having the class well, for example this div is having class equals well, and inside well all the div elements, whatever the div elements which we have inside this div, for all that this will be applied, this styling will be applied, means color red. So whatever the data of the event which we want to display on our web page will be displayed in red color. That is what this means. And padding hyphen left, we want to apply some padding margin to the left with 10 pixels, that we are going to apply here. Okay, these are the changes I want to do in my child component class. Now going to my parent component class, same thing I am going to define over here also. So what is the change I want to display over here, what is the change I want to make here is same classes let's introduce here to see the difference. Okay, so div class equals well, so same well class I'm applying over here, and I want to display a message as hello world. Okay, I want to display this message. So this we are specifying inside the parent component class, not the child component, if you observe. But the styling which we have applied here or here, if you observe, the styling which we have applied is for well class with well and div elements. So this means that it should be applicable for the parent class as well. Whether it will be applicable or not, let's check. Okay, let's compile by making use of the command npm space start. Okay, npm space start, and we'll save these changes. This will be hosted, this project will be hosted into localhost 4200. So let's go there. Let's open the browser and let's provide localhost colon 4200. Okay, see now if you see here on the browser, you can see that the event data which is getting displayed over here, that is date, time, price and location, is appearing in red color. So this, the web content which we are displaying here is associated with the child component class, that is event-thumbnail.component.ts. So whatever the styles we have applied over here inside event-thumbnail-component.ts inside our template styles, these got applied successfully. But if you observe over here, hello world message is getting displayed over here inside another well, but the color is not red, means this styling has not been applied. So if you observe here, the parent component whatever we have declared over here, even though we are using the same class, that is well, still same class, and the element is also same, that is div. So well and div, still the color is not getting applied over here. So what is happening is the parent class component, whatever we declare over here, will get overridden by the child component class. That's why the child component class is getting the styling values, whatever we are applying over here. So these classes will be applied only for the data inside the child component class. That is the template, right? Whatever the HTML content which we want to display on our web page is inside this template. Only these content, the styles will get applied. Okay. So this is regarding how we can apply styling for the component. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment and share this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos.